Let's take a look at building a website using OnePager, which is found at onepagerapp.com. Once you've signed up on the site, you'll get taken through to the editing of your site. This is one of the simplest editing tools that you'll find for a website. And it is a limited website. There's not going to be multi-pages. There's not going to be a whole lot of functionality you can add in. But if you want something that is quick and suits your needs, then this is something that you could look at, especially if you're just looking for a single page or related to a particular project. You might want to try this one out. So first thing we're looking at is theme down the bottom. You'll see that you can change a little bit the way that your theme looks, just in terms of the styling that you get started with. If you scroll across, you can see all the different themes that you can use. Next thing you would set up is your styling. You could change that background image, you could change the fonts and colors used on the site. And lastly, in terms of just the way that the site looks, you can change the position of that text block up the top. And you can also increase that column width or add in where you've got the option for a little bit of a sidebar on your site. Now, in terms of elements and blocks, it really is just jumping in, and if I click on there to edit, add in tagline there, and done. So if you wanted an image, you could have uploaded one there as well. So click on anything to edit. Now, in terms of content blocks, we click on here, we have text, a little drop down kind of bulleted list of your services, button, contact, media, the hours of operation, social, newsletter, images, downloads. They also have forms, PayPal button, a feed that can just bring in, say, information from a blog or from a social media feed if you wanted to set that up, or an iframe. So if I wanted to add something in, I might say a button, and then you would just add in the link here. And that's how you'd add in that buy button on there as well. Now, for blogging, you would use what's called a newsletter. Sign up for their newsletter. And that's just going to add in a button there so that people can add in their email address and then click that button subscribe to be able to sign up for the newsletter. So that's once you've signed up for the site. You can send out a limited amount of newsletters per month depending on the plan that you've got. If you go all the way up to their highest price plan, you can send out unlimited newsletters to your subscribers. So pretty simple in terms of what you can do. Once you've signed up to the site, you can check out your settings and stats for this individual page. But yeah, one of the quickest ways to set up a one-page website is using the OnePager app website builder.